Hey guys, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less. I hope you guys have been enjoying the Tablescape series that I've shared with you. Today we are going to culminate that series with not one, not two, but 3 different designs. And at the end of this video, you will be given the opportunity to kind of overview them all and vote for your favorite design down in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. So without any further ado, let's hop into today's video.
Okay, so let's get started with the first one, which is the golden hour. For this tablescape, I wanted something extremely elegant and neutral, and I love mixing golds and whites and gold and creams together. So this sequin tablecloth was exactly what I needed for this particular design. I will link it down in the description box below. However, I wanted to also add these glass beaded chargers and you know, add in some beautiful vases that I got several years ago that I've just been waiting to use at the perfect time. So adding the green and white florals and the bunnies that I got on clearance at Target several years ago, and some cutlery, gold cutlery. I just felt like it was the perfect touch for this design. I'm telling you guys, it's very hard for me to choose my favorite one, but I have to say that this one was definitely among one of my favorites. But I'm going to let you guys decide ultimately which one is your favorite. But you know, I'd have to admit that this one was one of my favorites. The gold plates, the white plates with the gold trim, I got these from Home Goods several years ago. I think they were like 4 in a pack for $16.99, and then the salad plates were 4 in a pack for $14.99. You can find this stemware at Z Gallery or TJ Maxx or Ross if you are shopping during the holidays. For the napkin fold, you guys, I wanted something that was going to display the edges of the napkins beautifully. So I decided on this cute little fold I'm calling Dazzling, just because it reminds me of like a tie around the neck flying in the air or something like that. I am using this gorgeous pearl and diamond napkin ring from totallydazzled.com. I've had it in my inventory for quite some time, but again, I just wanted it to display the ends of this napkin. So that's kind of how I came up with this fold. It's really different and really chic, but I absolutely love it. And you guys will be getting some different napkin folding tutorials throughout this as well.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost, listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survived it. Now you're all gone, 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 my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded.
So next up we have the finest hour. And when I thought about this tablescape, I knew I wanted to use a black sequin tablecloth on this because I think black sequin just looks so super elegant. You guys know I love black and white stripes, and I picked up this vase a while back at Walmart. The black and white polka dot bunny, you guys have seen that before. It came from Home Goods. The fresh florals, the smaller one was delivered to me from my local florist, and then the I think those are tulips. I got those at the grocery store. I had to make a grocery store run, and they were like $2 or $4. They were really cheap. I think it was $4 for a pack, for 10 in a pack. So I grabbed those and just kind of arranged them. One great thing about them is that they kind of arrange themselves, and they're very pretty, and they just add that pop of yellow that I absolutely love. For the charger plates, they have a little queen emblem at the top. I got these years ago at Tuesday Morning. I actually forgot that I had them until I started organizing my closet. But I knew that I wanted something to pop against the black tablecloths. And then the black dinner plates came from the Dollar Tree. And the polka dot salad plates are Kate Spade, and they were from Dillard's. I also had this polka dot candle and stripe candle. The polka dot one came from Hobby Lobby, and the stripe one came from, I think, Michael's. So I want to give you guys a tip, all right? A lot of us YouTubers watch YouTube also. I was looking for a really cool video on a napkin fold because I knew I wanted yellow to be the pop of color that I wanted to use in my tablescape. And so I found this one YouTuber. I will leave her video down below on how to do this. It's like a fleur-de-lis queen king type napkin fold, but I just thought it would display that pop of color really nicely. And she did a great job at, you know, kind of demonstrating how it should be done. So definitely try it out. A lot of us do get a lot of inspiration from other creators, and I just think it's so important for us to pass along, you know, those creators and to shout those creators out when possible. So definitely I'm going to link her video down below. I absolutely love the way that it turned out, and all of the, you know, it coming loose and things like that. That's trial and error. So I just wanted to kind of show that with you guys. But look at how gorgeous it turned out. And these are the final results.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free.
So our next tablescape is called the Hoppy Hour. Not happy, but hoppy. You guys like that? I thought this would be a really cool tablescape for like a breakfast or a brunch. I love these natural twig chargers that I got from, I think it was Painted Fox Home. The plates were a gift from Williams Sonoma, and I think this is the second year I've had them and used them. The stemware is by Lennox, but of course, you know, you can find these glasses at Dollar Tree as well. You can also get them on dollartree.com. The tea napkins with our monogram last name T on them, I got them for a wedding gift years ago, but I think they were from a local boutique. So here are the final results.
The horizon, let's go find out. Feeling free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free to go left or right. I wanna feel free to go wherever I choose, free to stay or just cut loose, free to sing, free to dance, free to give into lust and romance, free, that's what I wanna be. I'm feeling free, free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free to go left or right. I'm feeling free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free to go left or right. I wanna feel free to go wherever I choose, free to stay or just cut loose, free to sing, free to dance, free to give into lust and romance. That's what I want.
Okay, so now it is time for you guys to decide which was your favorite. Is it the first one, which is the golden hour? Is it the black and white Kate Spade theme one, which is called the finest hour? Designed for all you neutral lovers out there, would it be the hoppy hour? And of course, it would not be me if I did not throw a wild card in there. Would it be the flower hour? And if you guys have not seen this video, I will link it down below as well.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to vote down in the comments below. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions on all of the designs that I shared with you. Again, I appreciate all of your love and your unwavering support. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!